Me sit down here so and watch Rosealee comfortable with most of the way you say I do. And you know what Rosealee did? And she could have prisoned your Jabass. And this is not you forgiving her, bearing the hatchet, making an amends. This is not it. This is you trying to make a name out of the situation by defending Rosealee. Una wicked. Una some wicked set of people. That's a one wicked act. It no matter who Suty is. Suty did it by herself. Why Akeem go over to Suty with Rosealee money? Did you ask that? Jabass, the big question is, if Rosealee yesterday or day before yesterday or last week was planning with the Pt1 situation, and it's the first we were hearing it, would you be defending Rosealee against Suty? It's still just not here. Jabass said one Rosealee. I sorry Rosealee never prison, you know. Me sorry Rosealee never prison, Jabass. I owe this about me across Jaden. Go suck it. Hey girl, come out from a program. Can no one create some narrative now? If my cuss Jaden, so what after me and Jaden never joined by the hip? Jaden do nothing for my cuss him? What you say out of your stinking mouth? Unna like hear the truth. Me say me sorry Rosealee never prison Jabass in the Pt1 incident. Me just sorry now. Me just sorry. This is the height of wickedness. Me just sorry. After Rosealee come up and heap up things and tarnish your character, you really ever say one Rosealee when Rosealee in the equation is not innocent at all? You don't have a daughter, Jabass. You don't have daughter. How would you like a man to treat your daughter like how Akima treat Rosealee? You're a hypocrite. I mean, never know sir, so you're hypocritical. Me never know sir, so Jabass. Jabass a big hypocrite. Big hypocrite. Me not support that speech there. Number one, the argument not affect you because Anna you Akeem did a care pan trip Jabass. Jabass Anna you Akeem did the naked a beard in front of. So me not understand how it become one Rosealee when Rosealee now get them happy go lucky happy feet something here. Me not understand Jabass where you really depend, where you really attack say. Suty have all right for talk. Rosealee across the girl, we don't know the girl. Rosealee across the girl. We don't know the girl. They don't know nothing at all for true. Jabass can't upset about voice note she put out. Jabass voice didn't have the note. Was Jabass voice in the note? If Jabass, why would Jabass upset over the voice note where she put out and him say one Rosealee and Akima use Rosealee? So that makes sense. Akima use Rosealee and Jabass say one Rosealee attack Suty. Or if I attack Suty for the one voice note. Me never hear your class Rosealee for Jaden. You're hypocrite Jabass and me never know say I saw you stay. You're very hypocritical. Very hypocritical. I Rosealee this will come talk all sort of something about you with Sky Diamond and Mad and the whole of them. You remember the Pt1 saga? Or Rosealee jump up and classy and tarnish a character just so you remember. Alright, people are saying. Yeah, but that still not say we have to speak fear and fact. Just it's being factual. You're not being factual. If this girl Suty came out and make awareness, irrespective of how the awareness came and what motivated the awareness, if she came out and made awareness as to Akeem's foolery, why would you disrespect the girl for Rosealee? Just that I want to ask. We don't care if you want to be host our party or you want to be ghost our party. It doesn't matter. We're not talking about that. We're not talking about the host. And if the host is the reason why he might defend Rosealee, it shows his character and it shows who he is. You understand me? So we don't want to go there so. If you just highlight something too quick, too sweet, too cute, too sweet. We don't want to go there so too quickly, my baby. Alright. Stick to the word here. Humiliation ritual. May I come back on that? Just remember about it here. Just remember about it. Too cute, too sweet. Thank you, my baby. Thank you very much. This is what me I say now. Too cute. You see? Rosealee tell a lot of lies on you because she give a stipend for come our party, you have to state a defense. And when I talk on the app that no, not genuine. You understand me? One thing say I lie, me I tell you. My question is, were you in the voice note, Jabass? A year voice note got released. When you say Akeem came on the app, Jabass, and Akeem say,
I don't know, I don't know if I'm ego, I get the best of me. I just mess up, bro. That's what I say. If I come justify nothing, I'll be fully wrong. That's what I say, I can't justify nothing. That's what I say. You don't know where I'm on. I mean, I just say that, like, you know, I'm not perfect, bro. Like, I come here, come talk it, I'm not perfect. And shit happen. I get a way ahead of myself. I don't know why I do that. You see, I'm young, I'm still in a learning process here, bro, but it's like a thing where I'm just disappointed in myself. I know my people, them disappointed in me because I should have known better, you see it. And it's really a thing where happened from, like, me and this a girl, yeah. Was really a thing from about November, December. Me I be real, you know. That's what I say.
Me young, and you know, Akeem, you're not young. You're not young, Akeem. Jabass Holland. Me I come back to you, Jabass. You're not young, Akeem. You want me explain your video to you now, Akeem? When you say you're young, I make mistake. I see the dirty girl let me in the comments. Depan, God will heal, God will this, and God will that. Let me tell you something. Akeem, you see, when you did young, a batty did a call by your name. When you were young, you hear Celine Dion say, when I was young, I never needed anyone. Batam did a call by your name. It's when you did young, them say you did have a man named Snow. S-N-O-W. That's when you were young. Right? You never came out and talk about Snow to anybody that a voice note could leak. You never. So you treasure a man and let go a woman. And at this Jabass a defend. That's why when I sit down on the app and I talk, when I say me this and me that, when Akeem took to live and Akeem say, you know, me young, I'm gonna make a mistake. You didn't make no mistake. This is who you are, and that's why you are figure it out, kick off. This is who you are. You see, when you do figure it out, you can say, in that man, I saw him stay. Fool the crowd, but you can't fool me. Fool the crowd, you're not an actress. I don't know how people say you're an actor, you're not an actress. You're not an actress. And that's the thing. You and Jabass, let me tell you, you say Jabass and Jaden on a plan for the girl. Me no respect because Jaden say in the interim before. You understand me? Ask her why. Ask her why. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my baby. Ask her why. Ask her why. She voice note at the same way she voice note you a chat Jabass. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my baby. Yeah. Exactly. The whole on a plan for the girl. When is a set a dirty drunk crow. When is a set a dog Didi. What kind of question that if she video Akeem, if she screen record Akeem, it's a good thing. At least we can confirm we there say more about him. You know, he's a manipulator. He's a this, he's a that. So if you really care about Rosealee and their feelings that she's forcing, depositing in Akeem, you would tell Akeem the truth. Some are some set a batty man pan the app. Una walk and chat the girl them where mine, you know. Una walk and chat to no woman. Una walk and chat everybody. Everybody. When I give Akim the willpower now for come up on the live and say, no, me did young. Akim, when you're young, a man you take. A man we know you fear take when you did young. Akim never apologized to nobody. But me know my gifters them when I upset with you. You know exactly what you do. So how young you be, Akim? And that me want to ask you. Jamaican bad boy want Yeah. No for una don't know Akim where I come from. Akim live for publicity. It no matter which topic you put on him, he lives for the public. He lives for the public. No, Jabass, I not accept you. No, sir. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all, Jabass. I not accept your request. Fear is fear. Whether Suty want call it big fat swine, fear is fear. Fear is fear. No, I not accept you, Jabass. You and Jaden plan for the girl. You and Jaden plan for the lady. No, it's just the truth. You and Jaden plan for the child. It doesn't matter. Suty might be a whore. She might sell her things, you know. But always remember, say Akim sell to everybody. Ima everybody igla. Oh, you're going pan the child. You should not have. And it's not the going where you're going pan her, you know. It's the fact that they pan one Rosealee. And me remember Rosealee nearly send you AWOL. I remember that. Suty. Yeah. I remember that. Don't do that. You and Jaden are hypocrite. Me not ask you. Me not have to tell Jabass to him face. After me and Jabass are not friend for me tell him to him face. Me not have to tell Jabass nothing to him face in my ear. Yeah, go like a whisper me dip on a phone call. Me not have to tell him to him face. Me not have to tell Jabass nothing to him face. Huh? Me never take Jabass for my program. Me never normally take Jabass for my program. When me defend Jabass, he never send me a request. Me never defend Jabass to him face. Me never defend him to him face. So when people have said Jabass has split justice, no, he's not splitting any justice. You have a daughter. Would you like a man treat your daughter like that? Would you defend such a behavior towards your daughter? That's the first thing I want to ask you. That's the first thing I want. Would you defend such a behavior towards your daughter? Me say, see you and Jaden, when I hear Jaden say, ask her why she's record the man. Me know say it's a plan. Una drill the girl over Akim. The voice notes are there. Akim did want to use the girl against all the way Una come cussing about. And Una still a defend that. Make it make sense. Una can't stand up and split justice. The girl said $10,000 for the trip. Out of Rosealee purse it's supposed to come. You say you rate Rosealee and look where Akim do Rosealee. Huh? And you say you rate Rosealee, Jabass. Or you rate me. You understand me and can't tell me the truth. You think a Rosealee you defend is Akim you defending? Me sit down here so and watch Rosealee. Rosealee uncomfortable with most of the way you say I do. I know what Rosealee did? And she could have prisoned your Jabass. And this is not you forgiving her, bearing the hatchet, making an amends. This is not it. This is not it. This is you trying to make a name out of the situation by defending Rosealee. Una wicked. Una some wicked set of people. That's a one wicked act. It no matter who Suty is. Suty did it by herself. Why Akim go over to Suty with Rosealee money? Did you ask that? Why him go over Suty with Rosalee's money? That I first thing me I look upon. Jabass, the big question is, if Rosealee yesterday or day before yesterday or last week was planning with the Pt1 situation, and it's the first we were hearing it, would you be defending Rosealee against Suty? We know say my host of the party dancer, but that's not what I'm talking about. You understand me? Me just want to show up them level of hypocrisy. Natalie, big up yourself. Would you? No, you would not. You would not. So why the defending now? It shows how hypocritical you are. Minerate that from none of uno. And then you say, me must tell it to your face. Jabass, me no owe you that. Me no owe you that. Me and you not friends, so. Me and you not friends, so, but tell it to your face. Why you never come to my program when me I defend you against Rosealee, Sky Diamond, and everybody else out there? Why you never come to my face? Why you never send me a request and say, Shebe, big up yourself in a jaja, me not and like. Why you never say that? Why you come and talk about me if I tell you this to your face? No, Jabass, me and you not friend them way there. Me and you not friend them way there. Me not ask you. Una walk and defend Akim because all of una come on the app for nyam out people. Nyam out people. Akim go come up and talk about, you know, I make mistake because me young. How did you reach a prison? How did you reach a prison? So when you come out, you want to figure it out, sit down and target Britney. You never get you because Britney gone down. So now come back around now and target Diamond and Rosealee. And you're young. And you don't hold that as a mistake up to today, dear. You're not young. How you know if you go buy a bike out of Rosealee? How you know say you want somewhere to live and you want your own privacy? Eh? You're not young. Why you never go live with your mother, Akim? Jabass, them a defend you, you know, against Suty, you know, and you come on the up and all you do are dead with laugh. You are evil like your mom. You are evil. Sometimes I wonder which hole on a drop out. Una see the young man a pressure Rosealee. He took Rosealee away from her kids. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. How much time I sit down for my program and say Akim and mash up Rosealee relationship until he mash it up. And none of you say nothing. And you see him take away Rosealee from her kids. Akim a bleed Rosealee instead of saying Rosealee go give your daughter this. Me know girl with the with man say take care of your mother. Send your mother this. Me see girl with the with man have to take the man money and say me I go give this to your mother. So why is it okay for Akim to name out a baby mother? And it sit well with the whole of uno. You, Jaden, and World Dog. All of uno guilty of the same sin. All of uno guilty of the same sin. Una like when people make an answer themselves because uno feel like it keep uno relevant. You are different, Rosealee. Then class Akim for stating that Jakes is a good man and Suty is a good mom. What about Rosealee? Where I pay for chops? Illumination ritual now. Come here, brother Jabass. Let me just explain something to you now. Come here, Jabass. Because since you want me to tell you to your face. You know why the whole I'm afraid I bring down? Because if you check the entertainment industry, come here. Sometimes the industry have to humiliate you know, and you know that in order for you to rise, true or false. That is why all of you go to the lowest degree to stay relevant. humiliation ritual. It's not just me, I humiliate you, you know, you avail yourself to be humiliated. You never know. When I sit down and see the whole I want to see me here, you know what internet means? Inter mean death. Net means to capture. Okay. But because you come on the app to make $1, the whole of you have the same behavior. Wanna lose on the humanity. You guys are so inhumane. You guys are so inhumane. You never know. That is why we talk it earth, you know. That is why we talk. You know what you do. All of you know what you do. All of you know. That's why I tell the people and be careful where they send them money. What are you guys tying into? It no matter who the child be, Akim should have never go to her. If he's with Rosealee, one of the voice notes say, but you are with Rosealee, and him say him and Rosealee not there. He's trying everything sapping to convince the individual by belittling Rosealee, and Rosealee spending so much money to be dragged down. What I say? So what you mean tell it to your face? Yeah, here, and your face me I tell you to. We now gonna have a conversation on a heavy. That's why I'm gonna take people from my program, cause on a heavy. And I'm antisocial, I'm antisocial, I'm a spirit anti-social, we don't know. You never know. I'm a spirit anti-social, it's not me, it has nothing to do with me. On a heavy. And when people talk now, I have a problem. I'm not cussing in a Jabass nor Jaden, you know. Put that in the pipe and smoke it. And I cuss you nor Jaden, you know. Me just look on how your mistake bold. Me remember when Rosealee called the entire world to view you as what you're not.